Yo, what's up? Today will be the episode about Winnie gonna teach you guys and little bit me obviously how to speak Balinese.
Yeah, so today Damian will learn how to speak Balinese because in my family only my grandma doesn't speak Bahasa Indonesia or English. So today I decided to teach Damian to speak Balinese so he can speak with my grandma actually.
And most of the most important is you guys, whenever you come to Bali and you wanna, impress the girl, you can speak to her a Balinese language.
But the most important is whenever you go to Bali and if you can speak Balinese, like you will impress them, like, oh,
yes,
you can speak Balinese. Are you Balinese or do you live in Bali for quite a long time? So will be like that. Okay, so in Bali, for Balinese language, you will learn I can say that there are 3 types of level of Balinese language: high level, middle level, and low level. Well, in shortly, because I am coming from the family that is, based on Hindu's case, I mean Balinese case, so from the middle one, so I will teach Damian the Balinese just for daily life, easy peasy, and then
very useful for you as well.
Yes, so whenever he can speak Balinese, so he can speak to everyone and everyone would understand about it. So the first word that you can say, wherever you go, Om Swastiastu.
Om Swastiastu.
Wait. Whenever you said Om Swastiastu, you can put your hand like this. So this is like Hindu's Balinese greeting. So whenever you meet Balinese people on the street, you can say Om Swastiastu, and they will impress at you. They will be super happy that if you can say like that. This is like a Balinese greeting, Balinese Hindu greeting actually.
Om Swastiastu.
Yeah, right. So you already learned about Balinese greeting. And the second thing, like whenever you ask, you want to ask, how are you mate, something like that, in Balinese you can say Ken kabare. Ken kabare.
Ken kabare.
Yes, so Ken kabare means how are you mate?
It's also very easy. It's also very easy. Not as bad as I was expect. However, the Balinese language is definitely much more difficult than Bahasa Indonesia.
Yeah. So whenever you already said Ken kabare or somebody said Ken kabare to you, you can say bace. Can you say that? Bace. Yeah, bace means I'm fine. Something like that.
Right? Fine. By the way, I just noticed as the Balinese language is very sounds a little bit funny because it's like bace.
Bace, not bace. Bace different. Bace.
See. Quite difficult. Okay, next.
All right. So, whenever you want to know where you are from, or like you wanna ask, where are you from? Uleng di Jaci. Say it.
What?
Uleng di Jaci.
Uleng di Jaci. Uleng di Jaci.
Uleng di Jaci. Say it.
Uleng di Jaci.
Uleng di Jaci. Uleng Jaci.
Okay, it's quite difficult actually. Uleng di Jaci.
Chang uleng tabanan. Uleng Jaci.
What?
Uleng Jaci. Chang uleng polan. Saud
Chang ulang polan.
Chang uleng polan.
Chang uleng polan. What does it mean?
I'm from Poland.
Okay.
Chang uleng polan.
Cangkulang Polan.
Cangkulang Polan.
Cangkulang Polan.
Lemah celeng, saya bisa, saya ngerti.
Alright.
Okay, so That's when you answer that where you from, uling di Jechi, yeah, and then you answer Chang uling Australia, Chang uling Polandia, Chang uling Tabanan.
It's quite difficult.
Something like that.
It's quite difficult. Have to agree. Okay, next.
Next one is whenever you meet people on the road, people will asking you like, "Oi, where are you going?" And in Balinese, they will ask you, "Lakar ki jechi." Say it.
Lakar ki kachi.
Lakar
Lakar
kije
kija.
chi.
Lakar kija chi.
Yeah, so chi means you. Yeah, I know that in Balinese language, like as I told you before, there is a high level, middle level, and then low level. So I just teach Damian the middle level, middle low, so he can speak everywhere he goes, because my family is not coming from high level. So chi means you.
That's
Chang,
difficult.
chang, chang, chang. Say chang.
Chang.
Chang means I.
I.
Yeah.
Chang.
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 Not chang. Chang, chang, chang. Chang, chi,
Chang.
chang, chi. Say it.
Chang.
Chang.
Chang, chi, chang.
Good, good, good. Chi, chang, chi, chang. Okay. And then,
That's more difficult than I was
yeah.
expecting.
So I need to
actually.
have a look at my.
What's next? What's next?
Oh yes. Next is whenever you wanna say thank you, you will say Suk sama.
Suk sama.
Yeah.
That's easy.
Good. Easy, right? Suk sama.
I think everybody who been in Bali, they know this word actually. Probably everyone know at least one word in Bahasa language, and it's suk sama, right?
Suk sama. So
Thank you.
yes, if you already say thank you and somebody, or you wanna reply, if somebody say thank you to you, you can say Suk sama mawali. Say it.
Suk sama muali.
Mawali.
Muali.
Suk sama mawali.
Yeah, what does it mean?
You are welcome.
Okay, you're welcome.
It's super easy. The next word is when you say a beautiful girl on the street.
Oh, that's good. That's I have to know.
When you see a beautiful Balinese girl on the street, you can say, "Wey, ilo jageg."
Jageg?
Wey, ilo jageg.
Where?
Ilo jageg.
Hello?
Ilo.
Where you look?
Ilo.
You look.
Jageg.
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 I know jageg before.
Like wey means like oh, hoi, hi, something hi. Beautiful girls. You just say wey, ilo jageg. Say it one more time.
Yo, jageg.
Oh my
That's
god.
my version. Yo, what's up, jageg?
Yeah, ilo jageg.
Yo, what's
Yeah,
up, jageg?
something
This
like
will be
Yeah.
will be cool.
Jageg. Jageg means beautiful.
Same
cute.
like cantik in Bahasa
Yes,
Indonesia,
seems
right?
like cantik. Alright, so the next one, if you made a nice looking, like Balinese boy on the road, if you wanna say something like hi handsome, you just say halo beli bagus. Say it. Beli bagus like bagus.
I know. Halo, beli bagus. That's easy actually.
Yeah. So
Halo, beli bagus.
beli bagus.
Yo, what's up, jageg?
Beli bagus.
Oh,
Beli
I
bagus.
know,
So
I'm
Damian is bagus, right? So sometimes when I'm a little bit, like being grumpy a little bit, I just said, beli bagus. Something like that. Yeah? Okay, it's easy peasy. Alright, so then now the most important thing whenever you go to the traditional market or you go to the shop, Balinese shop, and then you want to buy something, you can ask how much is it. In Balinese you can say aji kuda.
Aji kuda.
See? Easy. Aji kuda.
Aji kuda.
How much is it?
How much is it? Aji kuda.
See? He's smart now. Maybe because of drinking bintang, I don't know.
Windy here, nice vibe,
Yeah.
bintang already inside me, so it's easier for me. So maybe if you're interested to learn that, you should grab the beers. Okay, I don't know. Up to you.
Alright. So, I wanna eat peanut first. After you learn how to say how much, and then you found out that the price is so expensive, and you wanna say so expensive.
Mahal.
Yeah, but in Balinese, that's in Indonesian. But in Balinese, you can say, "Aduh, mahal sajan." Say it.
Aru.
Aduh.
Aru.
This is Tabanan dialect. Aduh,
Aru.
mahal sajan.
Mahal saja.
Mahal sajan.
Mahal saja.
See, I don't know. Mahal sajan.
Mahal saja.
Yes, so very expensive. And then, if you wanna try to bargain, you just wanna ask, "Can I get cheaper?" Okay, you just need to say, "Dadi kuang."
Dadi
Dadi
kuang.
kuang.
Dadi kuang.
So, yeah, and then dadi kuang, and then yes. So if you get a fixed price, and then you wanna say, "Okay, I take it."
Okay.
Yeah, okay, I take it. Nggih.
You see?
Jemak suba.
I always like. Okay.
Nggih, jemak suba.
Okay. This is also whenever you start talking with you explain to someone, to some Balinese people, you will always hear that nge. That's so. I don't know. I just remember that actually, and I was just guessing this. That's true.
Nggih. Kalau jemak suba.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
and then suddenly, like, if you know you get surprised, and then you wanna say something like, "Oh my god," in English, but in bahasa Indonesia, in Balinese, you can say, "Mimeh Dewa Ratu." Say it with that kind of expression. Mimeh
Meme.
Dewa Ratu.
Meme.
Mimi.
Meme.
Nah,
Meme.
Dewa Ratu.
Dewa Ratu. Mimik Dewa Ratu.
Yes, Mimi
Mimik
Dewa Ratu.
Funny,
Something like
funny
that.
thing is in Bahasa Bali, as in Balinese languages, people it's not only saying Mimik Dewa Ratu. You have to say with the like a special voice to that to make your expression what you're saying. You know,
Like-
it's not only saying. You cannot just peacefully talk like normally, like I talk now. You have to make your emotion, like expression.
Put expression, put a
what you're
strong
saying.
expression like Mimi Dewa Ratu.
Mimik Dewa Ratu. What does it mean again?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. You see, you can say it OMG or oh my god, but you can say oh my god, the same expression.
Mimi Dewa Ratu. You say it. Why I always said it. Now your turn.
Because you are Balinese, not me.
Then you learn Balinese. Come on, say it.
Mimik Dua.
Mimi Dewa Ratu.
Mimi Dua Ratu.
Oh my god.
Okay, next. That's difficult actually. Oh my god is also okay.
Oh my god. I don't know how much score should I give it to him. You can help me, guys.
10 by
okay?
10. 10 out 10.
Oh, maybe less. Maybe minus.
9.5.
I don't know. All right.
I'm a good student. What she said?
I don't know. I just want to have a drink.
Yeah, you should. To calm yourself.
Aduh, kenyal gating aja ini.
What does it mean?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Something like
You better.
so tired to teach you.
Maybe
yeah?
I will cut this part, yeah?
No.
Okay.
All right. So another Balinese tradition, actually, like kind of the habit, you know, like Balinese habit. Whenever you go to your Balinese friend's house or you visit someone in their house, the first like greetings after Om Swastiastu, something like that. The Balinese habit that after they you say greeting like Om Swastiastu or Ken Ken Kabare, something like that. After that, Balinese will ask you, Subang Ajang. Say it.
Subanajang.
Subang Ajang.
Subanajang.
It means like, did you already eat?
Yeah,
Something
that's
like
the
that.
true
Did you
story.
already eat? Even that you already have your lunch, you already have breakfast, you already have dinner, you already full. But whenever you go to Balinese house, and even you know, like they know that you already eat, they will keep asking you like,
Exactly.
hey, sebengajang.
Remember
Something
when
like
guys,
that.
when if you watch the video and when Winnie used to visit the best friend of wedding, and then when she hugged her and she asked me, do you speak Balinese, and then asked me about the food, exactly like that.
Yeah, sudah
But-
makan.
But she used
sebengajang.
Indonesian language.
Yeah. So
Anyway, this is the culture.
this is
of
part
the
of the
culture.
culture. So whenever you go to Balinese house, and then they will, you know, just like a talk, like I don't know, like a normal talk, like, hey, sebengajang Ci, something like that. Say it. So, sebengajang Ci.
Subananjan Ci.
Sebengajang Ci.
Subananjan Ci. Almost good.
Oh my god, for those Balinese fellas, aduh rahajeng sama tahun sarang sami, I'm so sorry, sinampura niki, aduh bule nih agak slow bade.
I understand what she's saying. So.
Okay, alright. So whenever you say sorry, ampura.
Ampura.
See, easy, small word, easy for him. Say it.
Ampura.
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 And then if you just wanna say, it's okay, no worries, you can say
Singangkan. See.
now he knows, because that's the words that my grandma said to him. Sing can. Say it.
Singangkan.
Sing can. It means
Sing can.
no worries.
I also know one word. What you don't need to teach me because
What?
I already know.
What?
You know what is it?
What is it?
Signala pipis.
Yes, this is the first word that I teach Damian whenever, you know, he go to tourist place, and then some, you know, sellers try to chase him, and then, you know, like force him to buy something. So I just teach him, hey, singla pipis ake, singla kecer ake. Say it.
Signala pipis.
Singla kecer.
Singla kacha.
Singla kecer. So
Singla.
something like that.
And that is actually quite difficult to learn for me because it's like a singla. It's quite difficult, you know. Actually, it's difficult. Same like for you learning Polish, you know.
I know,
It's
I know.
difficult.
I know, but yeah, it is.
That's
It's
how
so
it
easy.
is. That's how it is. That's how it looks. The Bahasa Bali, Balinese language.
All right. So, yeah, I think that that's all the Balinese lesson that you already learned so far. I think it's already quite a lot, yeah. And even Damian already forgot what he learns.
I almost forgot everything.
Yeah.
I just remember Singangkan
Yeah, he only
Sorry.
remembers sing can sing la pipis, yeah.
and Subsama. To be honest, this is the three things what I remember in Balinese language too. To be honest, however, we will go home, right? So
Yeah.
how is it to say?
Mai mulai.
Mai mora?
Mai mulai.
Mai mule?
Mai mulai.
Mai mule?
Yeah, mai mulai. Let's go home.
What does it mean, Yona Chang?
Hah?
Ayo na ayo.
Ayo na ayo. Ngiring.
What's mean Chong?
Ngiring. Chong like
Kochong.
dude. No, dude.
Jude.
Like, hey dude, hey Chong. Somehow, you know, whenever I call him, hey Chong, something like that. So yeah, he
Alright.
goes, alright.
Ayo na ayo.
Ngiring. Ngiring means like please say it. Ngiring.
Okay.
Ngiring.
Ngering.
Oh my god.
Okay.
So yeah.
So I think that's it. Today's teaching lesson of Bahasa
Oh my
Bali,
god, I already
Balinese
get
language.
headache.
It's quite difficult. I hope so you
my
enjoyed.
God.
This is the lesson like you know, Mr. and Mrs. Monkey style, monkey style.
Alright.
So I hope so you enjoyed and
Okay.
yeah.
So if you still find out difficulties,
Watch over and over.
Watch over and over and over.
Comment
And
below,
Damian,
what do you think? You like it? You enjoy it? Do you maybe wanna have a part 2 of Bahasa Bali, Bahasa Indonesia, or maybe you want me to teach Winnie Polish again? Cause that
my
was
God.
quite easy. Was I can prepare her more
Aduh,
difficult
Mimi,
like
berat
she teach me
tuh.
today. Comment below what do you think, and we will make another vlog if you want.
okay, thank you for watching our video today, and it's really nice breeze actually. Alright, thank you for watching. Matur suksema.
Matur suksema.
And see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys. See ya. Take care.
Bye. Sending you love from Bali.